How does that keep happening? Look. I closed that door. How is it open again? Go. Creep. Midnight. It's dark in there. My name's Aaron. If there's anybody there, make a knock like this. I think what I'm gonna do is go back into the next one, turn the lights out completely, and let's do this shit in the dark. I can see orbs everywhere. Look, see that one? There's another one. Another one. Another one. I mean you no harm. If you're here with me, make a sound. Make a knock. Got all these orbs. Something was thrown or fell. What did that? What made that noise? Oh my God, I'm stood here on my own and this bag started to move. Yeah, I've been over there. There's no animal in there, is there? What is in this bag? How did that... It just moved though on its own. I'm sketchy, am I right? Let's have a drink. Fuck you now. It's a key. Let me put the flash on. Dirty old key. What's that say? 1844. Fucking hell. What the fuck was that noise? Oh, no. Fuck that shit. There's only one thing to do, isn't there? Just kill the lights. I'm gonna go in there in the dark. I shut that door. Did you see me when I left that door? I shut this door. Who keeps opening the door in here? This is how dark it is in here. There's a window. It's the house, and I'm in this. It's so dark. Is anybody here from 1844? Make a noise. Make a sound. If you are here, make a noise. What the? Did you hear that? Let's go flash on. I heard you throw something. I know you're in here. Make a noise. If you can hear me, which I think you can, do that noise again. Did you used to work? Look at those orbs. Did you used to work for the doctor that lived here? Wow, look at that. Make a sound. So for the pure fact that that could be coincidence, I don't believe that you're responding to me. Did you work for the doctor? Make a knock. What? Did you hear that? And then see that? It's pitch black in this room. I got your key. Yeah, what are you saying? I got your key. Whoa. Why are you so pissed off I got your key? You don't frighten me making a couple of noises. Just as... That's what I need more than that. You must have some energy. I see these orbs. What are you going to do if I... Whoa! What are you going to do if I start moving stuff around? Like, you ain't going to like that, are you? No? What if I move this pole and I move it over there? And I move this... What's this? What is this? A stone something or whatever. Look at this. What if I move that there? How, you don't like your room being messed with? Show yourself. Why are you throwing things at me? If you looked after horses, like, what are you so pissed off for? Like, 'cause I moved your room? Do you want me to leave? Do you want me to go from your little abode? That's another noise from in there. So you want me to go, yeah? I travelled 300 odd miles to come say hello to you, and all you show me is disrespect. I'm just gonna have another drink. If you want me to go, you gotta make more noises than that, brother. What the fuck is... Why is there... That's an arrow in it. Why is there hunting shit? That's a hunting bow's out. Yep, hunting. That's disgusting. So anyway, can you see that? It moved. That wire. Make that wire move. Do you like to drink in your days? Do you like that I moved your room around? You pissed off at me? Tell you what, if you make one more sound on call, I'll leave you alone. This is your home. I'll tell you what, one more. If you can just do one more sound, I'll stand still. Both hands accountable. Damn, I've only got 7 seconds. Give it to me now, give it to me large. If you want me to go, make a sound right now. So you want me to stay then, do you? You want me to stay with you? Oh. Whoa. Whoa. I'm just gonna be quiet. Whoa. Fuck. Nah. I'll tell you what, this place, yeah, 100%, you're haunted. I'm leaving. I'm gonna shut this properly up. And my 2 workmates are asleep. I might check on it in a little bit. This weather.